kasi sinasabi ko, libre yan sa bahay. Gaganyanin nyo lang.
West Side Story, don't feel pretty anymore.
Si Motherfucker. So punta tayo ngayon sa isa sa pinaka-importanting lugar na kailangan kong mapuntahan dito sa Singapore. Excited na ako. Paano excited? Excited na ako, tapos malungkot. May mga documentary bigla. The Shroom. Ah, you know us? We vlog.
I love YouTube, so see you guys.
I'm surprised. So guys, kauna-unang nakakilala sa atin si Kuya. You know, he knows Kong TV.
I don't know my wife. No?
Ah, yeah. He's 13 years. I've been doing this for 13 years. Since 2008. Half of my life. Been doing this.
And there's a lot of successful vloggers also.
But it's very hard. You have to give all your time, your mind, your soul. But it's very fulfilling. And it makes me happy. Finally, I'm here. The company that changed my life. That color, man. You guys know that color? Oh, the trash can, man. Look at the trash can. The trash can that changed my life. My goodness. The blue, the red, the yellow, and the green, man. This color. What does it say? It says pocket. Oh,
Hello.
ito yung sahod na dumadating sa akin, guys. Buwan-buwan. Nandito yun, nanggagaling. 3 months na silang di nagbabayad, kaya susugod natin ngayon. Shit. The jeep. Oh my God. This is the company. Oh, hello. Welcome to Brunella. Ikaw din pala yung guard dito? Ano ginagawa mo dito ba? Ikaw ba ang... Bravo, sasamahan po tayo ng security.
Soccer board ba yan?
Soccer bird. Sira, hindi gumagana.